Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to record video in Canva. So guys, this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can get started with logging into our account. So guys, what you want to do is log into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of Canva where we can get started with looking at all the options we can access right here. We can see our projects right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with recording a video. So the first thing you want to do is open up the presentation where you want to upload the video to. So you can go to projects right here or create a new one if you do not already have one. I'm going to go ahead and create a new design. Click create design, and then I'm going to open up the presentation. So after opening a presentation, we can get started with recording. And as you can see guys, here is how we can get started. So here at the left side screen, we have the option to go ahead and add design. We have the elements to add text, and if you scroll down, you will see an option that says uploads. And guys, if you open up uploads, it's going to open up this section right here where you can get started recording yourself. So guys, you can see we have the option to either upload files or record yourself. So you want to click on record yourself, and after click on this, as you can see, this is going to ask us to allow the usage of our camera. So you want to go ahead and click allow on every visit if you want to record yourself or just for this time, doesn't matter. And after allowing it guys, this will enable you to get started recording yourself and then adding your video to the presentation right here so that you'll be able to add it normally. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.